You remember that lawsuit a little while back where Lindsay Lohan was suing Rockstar for the alleged unauthorised use of her likeness in GTA 5? Well, it has actually survived a motion for dismissal and will move forward. Now, this was decided by a New York State Supreme Court judge by the name of Joan Kennedy, and this was despite Rockstar's and Take-Two's attempts to block the lawsuit and, of course, motion to dismiss. Now, the judge did not comment on the merit of Lindsay Lohan's claim, and she also mentioned that Take-Two's defence that the images in question don't depict Lindsay Lohan could not be considered at this stage. So, and I don't know a huge amount about US law, so do correct me if I'm wrong. What it seems to be the judge is saying is that, look, they tried to block it from even going further than, hey, I'm suing you, by saying, look, this is clearly not her, and the judge is saying, we actually can't decide that yet, it has to go forward for us to decide if this has any grounds, at least as far as I understand. Now, as we all probably know, Lindsay is claiming that a character in GTA 5 by the name of Lacey Jonas, the famous one on the promo art, the blonde woman in the red bikini, is effectively her appearing in the game without her permission. She's arguing that, as well as having a similar sounding name, they have a similar history as well. Both have a fast rise to fame, checkered history, and she's even alleging that that famous promo art of the blonde woman in the bikini is also an unauthorised use of Lindsay Lohan's image, because of course she's the only blonde woman ever to ever pose in a red bikini on a beach holding a cell phone. And if you detect just a tad of sarcasm in my voice there, then yeah. Now, this basically means it's going to go forward and they're going to decide whether or not her claim has any legitimacy, as far as I can understand. I would not be surprised to see this get dismissed after that, however, because even if it's her, it will most likely be protected under parody, because pretty much everything in GTA 5 is a parody of something. Obviously not literally everything, but any character of any real note is going to be a parody, or even places and the air, how the NPCs act, the locations. It's all a parody of something. So it's probably going to be protected under parody if I had to guess. Again, I'm not an expert on US law, so don't quote me on that, but I'll be surprised to see her win this overall. In a rather interesting and kind of amusing turn of events, however, she has also been criticised openly by Ned Luke, who is actually the voice of Michael within the game. And he tweeted a picture of a cow from within GTA 5 saying, quote, "It's a stretch, but maybe there's a resemblance," which is a tad harsh there, Ned, but hey ho, it'd be interesting to see how this lawsuit progresses forward. I'm honestly surprised it got this far. But I don't think it will go much further, because even if it is her, it will most likely be protected under parody, and, well, there seem to be shaky grounds at best that this is based on her, so we'll see. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.